Hi, welcome back to M365 Professional. Today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel to get started. First, figure it out where you want your drop-down to be and the options that you like to appear in your drop-down list. In my spreadsheet, I have some employees in column A, and I like to assign departments to each in column B using a drop-down list. First, I'll highlight the empty spaces under departments where I want my drop-downs. Then I'll go up to the ribbon and choose Data, then Data Validation. In the Data Validation pop-up menu that appears, I'll select the drop-down menu under Allow and choose List. Then I can click the arrow to the right of the search field and highlight the data that has my drop-down list options sales D2 through D11. I'll hit Enter on my keyboard then. Okay, to finish up now, anyone can assign a department to each employee by clicking the cells next to each name in column B and choosing the correct one from the drop-down list. Adding a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel is a simple yet powerful way to streamline data entry, improve accuracy, and enhance your workflow. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly create drop-down lists for any of your projects. Additionally, Excel's features like dynamic lists and custom error messages make drop-down lists even more versatile, ensuring a better user experience and more reliable data management. Whether you're working on a budget tracker, survey form, or inventory sheet, drop-down lists can help you maintain order and consistency. In this video, you just learned how to create a drop-down list in Excel, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.